Thank you so much, Mr. Franz, for joining me today this evening.
Always welcome.
Yeah. Well, I want to start with my first question. What was your most memorable experience throughout this entire time of the delegation? Is there a specific highlight that you want to?
Yeah, honestly, I'm completely overwhelmed about the warm welcoming of the people here.
Yeah.
And I haven't been aware of the potential of that country. I mean, it really provides everything you need to let's say, execute entrepreneurial activities. As you may know, I know Bernhard since almost 30 years. I mean, it's unbelievable.
Yeah.
And I know his qualities.
Yeah.
For me, it's every time again unbelievable. His network, his connections, and how he puts together the right people. Mm-hmm. He really has always a vision of what can be done between people, and he has a good, let's say, competence of imagination.
Yep.
And he always brings the right people together.
Mm-hmm. Well, in the future, would you be happy to join if there's another delegation in Malaysia?
Yeah, absolutely. I think that's not the last time I've came to Malaysia.
Oh, happy to hear that. Happy to hear that.